Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, I'm going to do the review on the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. I will also be having a giveaway at the end of this video, so keep watching all the way to the end so you get the giveaway. I'm doing the review at the twist out because they have a twisting cream, which is right here. And I got this in a curl box, so they didn't have the conditioner or the setting lotion, I think it is, or styling lotion, I forgot what it's called. But they did have, not this one, oops. They did have the leave-in detangler and the regular leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be using the leave-in detangler as a conditioner so that I can get all my knots out, and then using the leave-in as a leave-in and the cream as a cream and doing a twist out. Also, I've never done a twist out, so it's not going to be my first time. I'm not going to do my review on how the twist out comes out because I might be doing it wrong. I'm going to do it on like the moisture, the holds, and all the things I normally do my review on. So I just came out of the shower. I also got a new water bottle, guys. Look, it's the misty one that everybody gets. I got it from Amazon. So I just want my hair. It's kind of drying already, so I'm just gonna. So like I said, I'm gonna start off with the shampoo. I'm gonna read the, well, I should have worn my hair after I did this, oops. I'm gonna read the ingredients. It is water, sodium C14-E ulfine sulfonate, and they have sulfates. Okay, I can't read that. I'm gonna just look for honey. Let me look for it. This is the 12th ingredient. I was expecting it to be like maybe the first, second, third, because you know, it is a pure honey line, but it's a 12th. So I'm gonna read the directions. Apply generous amounts of wet hair and massage into lather. Rinse thoroughly and repeat. Follow with Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. Keep out of reach of children. Will not be following with the conditioner because I do not have the conditioner. So let me just re-wet my roots. My roots dry in like 1, 2, 3. I'm also going to be doing a video on like when I get my camera. I should be getting my camera soon, my actual camera. I'm going to do a video on hair types, hair porosity, hair density, basically knowing about your hair. It's going to be like a series since there are so many things you have to know about your hair. Alright, so cool. I think my hair is wet enough. If it's not, add more water. Oh. Alright. And this is the consistency. It's very runny, it's very shampoo. I really like the color. This is what it looks like. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in my roots. Even, oh my god, I'm not strictly curly girl, so it having the sulfate is fine for me because I honestly, like, it works for some people, but I've never been curly girl all my life and my hair has been perfectly fine until I started heat damaging it. But besides that, my hair has been perfectly fine without being curly girl friendly, so why would I start now? Okay, so I'm loving it. I love lather. That's also a reason why I can't really do curly girl. I use Shea Moisture's shampoo that is curly girl, but still. I love the way it's lathering. And the only issue I have at the moment is that it might be making my hair more tangled because my hair wasn't tangled before. But I expected that because 1, it does have a sulfate, and 2, it's shampoo. So why would it not make your hair knotted? I also needed this sulfate because my scalp was itching. So good thing I'm doing this review now. Alright, so let's show you. I don't know what you can see and what you cannot see, so we're just gonna, I'll edit that or whatever. Let's see. So I'm gonna take this off and then I will be right back with how it looks after and how tangled it is. Alright guys, so these are my results from the shampoo. Let me see, where's the light? There's the light. It moisturized my hair, but I feel like my hair is coming out a lot. When I rinsed my hair, it came out a lot. Like, rinsed it before, so I wasn't expecting it to come out more. But yeah, my hair is shiny in some places and dry in others. Like, my problem area is dry, and like this is shiny. I don't know. So I don't know how I feel about this. I give it maybe like, I like how I felt I like how it felt in my hair. So like, for it being in my hair, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. But like, for the after, with the shampoo, everything, because the shampoo is not really supposed to give me anything except for cleaning my hair. It didn't strip my hair. And it's a shampoo, like I've been saying 20 times right now. I give it an 8 because it's not supposed to make my hair shiny. It's not supposed to do any of that because the shampoo is supposed to cleanse my hair. That's it. And I feel like it did that. It did it without clarifying it because my hair is not like clarified. So, oh my god, I forgot to get on my clip. And I forgot to get on my brush. This is really great. We have a problem. I don't know what the clip is. How am I even gonna have a clip? Figure it out. Alright. My issue without the clip is going to be doing the twist out. I'm gonna have to get a scrunchie. So I'm gonna use the Not Away. What does that say? Not Away Pure Honey. I was reading that so bad. Not honey. Not Away Leave-In Detangler. I can't read clearly. I can't read backwards. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna just put this all in my hair. Ooh, it is thick. This is definitely meant to be like a leave-in-ish. That there's like nothing. Look at that. This is thick, guys. Like thick. Ooh. My hair is smooth. It has a lot of slip. Has a lot of slip. I need to add more water to my hair because my hair is drying, but like, it has a lot of slip. Oh, I'm also commenting on the packaging like now. They just copied. Why is nothing coming out? See, it's so thick, guys. Alright, now I'm gonna just do like this because nothing's coming out. They should have put this in a what you call it? This thingy. I don't know what it's called, a container? I don't know. They should have put it in that though instead of this because this is clearly not coming out. Now, like I was saying, packaging. They completely stole Mommy Moisture's packaging. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Before this line came out, I never wanted to try Creme of Nature. Just because their packaging does not look well. Like, packaging is like a big thing for me. If your packaging doesn't look well, I most likely will not buy your product. That's just me. Because I feel like if a packaging doesn't look well, then the products might not be good exactly. Yeah, so if your packaging isn't good, then I will not buy your product. But also, don't steal somebody else's packaging. Like, you're not gonna, I'm gonna put a picture of Molly Moisture's. Everything's about to fall and my hair is all flat. There it goes. Okay. I'm gonna put a picture of my moisture here and then look at the packaging of the Creme of Nature. Like, can you tell me there's like, they look the same, right? Look the same. So they could have just like, used their own packaging. But no, they went and stole Molly Moisture's. My hair is getting so much healthier, especially with my last cut that I have on my channel. I'll also link that video like in the clippy thingy right up there. But my hair is very defined at the moment. I started using my paddle brush again because it's working. Like, okay, when I first started my curly hair journey, I was like trying to do everything right. I was trying to be strictly curly, finger detangle, and all of that. And like, oh, why is there so much to this? I don't like how it looks. My bad. Sorry. So I tried to be strictly curly. Curly girl friendly. I tried like to finger detangle. Tried to do everything a curly girl is supposed to do. kill myself. Now I have to use my rice to comb. Okay. So like I was saying, when I first started, I tried to do everything right. But then I come to the conclusion that not everything is good for my hair. Oh, and by the way, you guys are probably like, if it has so much slip, how did it break? This is my problem area, and I'm not underwater. Like, the only way I can really detangle my hair completely is underwater. And I'm not underwater. Not underwater, like, under the sea, but like, under the shower. I forgot what I was talking about before I started talking about this. I know saying me trying to do everything right. Oh yeah, but everybody's hair is different. So let's say you and somebody else has the same hair type, the same porosity, the same density, even though I don't think that's possible for everybody to have, so I mean for somebody to have like the same. But let's say it is, right? Their hair is still gonna be somehow different from yours. Oh, their hair is somehow gonna be different from yours. Your hair is never the same as someone else's. So where I was going, I detangled the rest of my hair. Let me show you this is the detangled. What? This is it detangled. I like the shine that it's giving me, and I feel if my hair was like under the water, like how I usually detangle it, it would have detangled better, because I feel like I pulled some parts of my hair. I feel like if it was a little bit thinner, at least for my hair, if it was a bit thinner, it would have been able to detangle better and have more slip, because in my opinion, my hair, a product that's thinner has more slip, and this one, as you guys saw, is really thick, so it has slip. At first, I thought I had a lot of slip, but I think it's because I didn't go like that much, and I just went right in, and it had a lot of product in that one. Okay, hold on, this is aggravating. I'm doing a middle part today. I don't think this is centered. It's not. Okay, so I think like, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, so since I put more than the product, since I put more product in one section, I felt like it had more slip, but it completely didn't. So I feel like it says detangler, but don't detangle. I'm sorry, don't detangle with it. It maybe works as a leave-in. I'm not gonna use it as a leave-in today, but as a detangler, don't detangle. My opinion, my type of hair. I have thin hair, so it's different for everybody. So now I'm gonna just take it out and then come back to you guys and do the mask. Oh, there you go. You know, people go like that with the phone. I don't think you have to, but alright, it is. Ooh, I thought it was thick. It's not that thick. This one smells. I don't know. My whole face in there. I don't like the smell. I don't know what it smells like, but I don't like it. But we're gonna continue. It's also a darker color than the rest of the products. So, like I told you guys before, I don't know where my clip went. So we're gonna just damage my hair for a few, because you're not supposed to use a scrunchie. Scrunchies mark the hair and damage it, and like I know they do. So I'm just gonna like damage my hair for a little bit. This is how it looks right now. Wait, why is the camera so low? Wait a minute. Is that weird? There you go. You guys can see. Alright. Also over dramatic. I need to refill this. This one's really weird. Like, it has a little plastic thing inside. Do that? I don't know, it's weird, but it's good. So, as you can see, you can hear it. That wasn't a good pump. That was good enough. Just wet my hair. I like how that time I actually did it and it went in the face. Alright. So this one is more of a... Ooh. Alright, so this is like how I picked it up. It's thick. I lied. It is thick, but not as thick as the leave-in. I'm about to do the ends of the other pieces. Alright guys, so it has a lot of, I don't know. I can't speak. This is why I never was on YouTube before. I can't speak. I'll be all over the place. I talk about one thing and the next. Alright. So it has a lot of slip. I actually love the slip. But the turn off for me might be the smell though. It's not strong. Like, I can't smell it from here. Like, even though it's on my head, I can't smell it from here. But I still don't like the smell. But it has a lot of slip, and that's great. Let me hold that up there. My pineapple, guys. I lie. Let's finish doing this. Alright, so I'm gonna turn around and show you like this portion. I need to make sure you see it. I think you can. But I actually really love this right now. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. I love most deep conditioners. Deep conditioners love them, and I love them. Oh, I also want to know, I have a question for you guys. Would you guys want to know how I edit the videos? Because, like, I'm going to keep it a buck. Oh, that was all in my face. I'm going to keep it a buck. It is very hard to edit these videos. And that's also why. If you guys caught on earlier, I said it is Monday, okay? We're going to see when this gets posted, when I'm actually done editing. Keywords, it is Monday. What day? I think it's the 6th. I don't know. I honestly forgot what it was. I think it's the 6th, yeah. So now I'm just going like this. Oh, I think I cut off what I was saying. It is 36. And let's see when this gets posted. I'm gonna see when this gets posted because hopefully it's tomorrow because I don't have a busy day tomorrow. But let's see when this gets posted. Alright, so yeah, I can see. I'm actually I've only used like maybe 3 deep conditioners that I didn't like. I don't know. I'm a very big fan of deep conditioners. Like, ooh, if hold on. If a brand would ask me to use their stuff, I would definitely say it's a conditioner. I lied, I wouldn't say the conditioner because I want to do like reviews and like not like stuff too. Like my I Am Plentiful, I didn't like the whole line, I like some of the line. This one, I don't like the whole line, I like some of the line. Like the thing I don't like is the leave-in Detangler thing. I wouldn't use it as a leave-in because it is too thick for my hair. And as a Detangler, it didn't have much slip. So I don't know about that one, but I really like the conditioner. Let's turn it on and show you guys. I just realized my head is so long. I feel tall. I'm 4. And now I'm short. But alright, so now I'm gonna keep this on until I'm done eating because that's what we eat. So and in case you guys are wondering, this isn't a backdrop. This is my tub. I'm ordering everything that I need in the no, I lied. Oh. Alright. So this is how I keep it in because like Pinterest or heat or whatever. It's not regular shower cap though. But like I was saying, I'm getting my own room. So that's when I'm gonna buy the backdrop. That's when my dad's getting my camera, my ring light. Now I have like a sort of ring light. It's the I forget what it's called. I remember it at some point. I'll just put it what it's called there. But the stand thingy, the camera, yeah, I have that, and then I have I'll put in the description box what I have, and I'll put a picture up right here. It's like this piece that connects to that you could like you push it and it opens, and you let it go and it closes like that, right? And it's stuck to my thing that stands. I can't remember the names of anything right now. lip blank. And it has a piece that comes out so that you can connect your phone, and then a light that comes out, and it's really bright. Look at this. This is not even the brightest. Like, let's see. That's the brightest. I looked at it and got blinded, and then it could change. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, where's the first? How many things does it have? That was the first one. There you go. I like that now. So I'm gonna stop wasting your time, and I'm going to go. So I'll let you know how much time has passed when I get back, and then that's how much time I left the deep conditioner on. So I'll be back. I see that a lot, but I'll be back. So I'm back. I just took the deep conditioner off. I'm gonna show you guys. Because when I had it on, I was taking off. My hair looked great. Alright, so I don't. My light isn't on. That's why I can't see my hair. Whoa there. There you go. Alright. Do you guys see this? Like, my hair honestly looks. That's not up close and personal. My hair honestly looks amazing. Look. Like, you're not gonna tell me my curls are not defined, alright? Alright, cool. So now, we're gonna have a little problem because I don't have a clip. We're gonna use a scrunchie, alright? Alright, cool. So now I'm gonna put all my hair into the scrunchie, and I'm going to take out a little section. Let's say that section, right? Alright, cool. So this piece is gonna be in the scrunchie, right? And then here's the section that I'm taking out to do my first twist to it. I'm not gonna record all my hands are slippery once again. I'm not gonna record me doing all of my twists because that's like a lot. I might just record it and fast forward. Might not record it at all. So there it is. This is the leave-in conditioner. I forgot to tell you guys. Alright, I'm gonna just put it on my hands and then do it like that. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's very creamy. I like that. Because I don't like watery. Alright. This is gonna be like 3 twists now. I mean, yeah, twist now. But now I'm gonna separate it. Do like, no, it's gonna be 2. Alright, it's gonna be 2. Alright, so now I'm gonna get the twisting cream. There you go. I just realized that human nature, they put what they actually don't have. So this one clearly has, wow. This one has silicones because it does not say no silicones. It says no sulfates, no mineral oil. That's just great. And I'm going, oh my, okay, the twisting cream is thick. It's not as thick as the other product. I forgot which one it was. Oh, they're leaving the Detangler. It's not as thick as that, but it's thick. I'm gonna put it all in here. Alright guys, so I'm done doing my twist outs. I'm just gonna add some Righteous Roots oil to my scalp so that my scalp isn't dry. I have a lot of problems with this. Like I said, I'm gonna add it while my scalp isn't dry. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna leave this in overnight. I don't know how much of a good job I did, but because I can't see the back. Let me see. I can't see it. You guys can see it, I can't. But I'm gonna come back in the morning when I wake up. Or if I stay up late enough, if I was out in the morning, to come take them out. And then I will show you guys my results. Don't forget, like I said, all the products I use and the camera stand, the spray bottle. What else is the accessory I used? I don't know where I got the shower cap from. So yeah, everything I used, and then like the rice juice oil as well. I'm gonna link in the bio, and all my coupon codes and everything like that. So yeah, I'll be back. Hey guys, so I just woke up and these are what my twist ups are looking like. So I'm gonna use the righteous oils that I talked about earlier, and I'm gonna just take out my twist. I'll start with the back and then the front. Alright, so now that I have separated the twist, now I'm gonna go ahead and separate all my curls. Alright, so these are my results. Like I said, never done a twist out, so don't know how to get it bigger, but these are, I'll let it go throughout the day and see how it goes. These are my results. I actually really like it because my curls are like, you know, a certain way. They're like spirally, right? And the product, oh, there's a couple on this keep on. The product was very good. My hair is very my hair is very shiny and moisturized. So yeah, I would give the leave-in, because it was like creamy, like how I like leave-in, I would give it I don't know, like maybe an 8 out of 10. And then the twisting cream, since it clearly worked well, I will give it a 10 out of 10. Alright, so my Lucy still wants me in the video, so I had to for her the video. So now I'm gonna talk about the giveaway. So I have partnered with Resource Curls to do a giveaway with their shampoo, their deep conditioner, which is a regular conditioner, and their super curl defining cream. I don't know what I was saying. With their curl defining, why are you just looking at the screen like that? With their curl defining cream, and I have the post posted on my Instagram, but I'll just tell you guys the rules. Rule number 1, you have to follow Curly Hair Magic Inc., Jada, Alexa, and Bezos Curls. Number 2, you have to tag 3 friends in the comment, and it's limited to 1 comment per person. And then 3, you have to repost the picture with the hashtag Rizos Reinas and Curly Hair Magic. I don't know if it's giveaway or not. I'll check it. I'll put it in the bio. And then number 4 is optional, but you guys should probably do it because this is YouTube. So number 4 is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment your Instagram name in the comments. If you do not have Instagram, just write that in the comments. Yeah, you're so weird. Like, she's so awkward. Like, she's trying to have her own YouTube channel, but she's just staring at the camera. I don't know how that works.
Am I supposed to talk while you're talking?
I mean,
no,
but you're just looking. It's kind of weird. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the bell. That's a like. That is a like. And turn on the bell so you guys get notified whenever I post, right? So thank you again for watching. Even if you just watched the giveaway, it's okay. You watched some of it. Why is my shirt like that?